America 319, contact final 13305, good day.
13305, and we got some pretty good turnarounds coming in on this route.
Right. And United 2688, continue left turn heading 050.
Continue left turn to 050, United 2688.
2154.
2154, Roger. Taxi up, and let me know when you're ready, because we got to get you another flow time.
Roger, will do. Delta 2154.
Convoy 3699, Miami approach, make the ILS runway 9er. Mach 99, contact Miami approach 125.5. United 2688, descend and maintain 6000. Southwest 2066, if there's a better shot direct Vancouver, you can proceed direct Vancouver. Southwest 2066, contact final 13305, good day.
040, descend and maintain 2000.
040 down to 2000 on the 35.
10 at 1198, reduce speed to 210.
Southwest 2066, one able, direct Vikov, cross Vikov, at or above 3000, cleared RNAV approach, runway 8 left. Convoy 3587, heading 080, maintain 1500 now, full established final approach course, clear the RNAV, runway 8 left approach.
1500, full established on the final approach course, 8 left, please be correct, Convoy 3587.
American 319, maintain 210 knots or better till Vikov.